Always here when you need someone. Always here to be the one. Always here to let you know I'll be there to help you grow. The Muslim Reminder Kids. The Choo Choo Train. Ayub, please pass the yellow tub. Okay, Inaya. Wow, Inaya, that picture is really good. Ah, thank you, Zain. Would you like to paint? Yes, please. I want to paint too, Inaya. Okay, let me get some more paper and brushes from the house. I will be back in 2 minutes. Okay. What shall we draw, Ayub? I don't know. I know. I am going to draw that choo-choo train in the sandbox. No, you can't. That's my choo-choo train. It's my bestest toy. You can't draw that. I only want to draw it, Ayub. Give it to me. No. Ayub, you can draw something else. It was my idea first. Ayub, no, stop it, or I'm going to get Mummy. What happened? I wanted to paint the choo-choo train, but Ayub is being mean and said no. Ayub, that is not nice. But it's my choo-choo train. Yes, it is yours, but Zain only wants to borrow it for painting, and Mummy always said sharing is caring, Ayub. Also, Ayub, Allah is pleased with people who share happiness with others. You mean, if I share my choo-choo train, Allah will be pleased with me? Yes, Ayub. Because you give Zain your choo-choo train, you have given him joy and happiness by sharing the choo-choo train. Okay, Zain, you can have it. Thank you, Ayub. Inaya, I want Allah to be pleased with me too. Ayub, let us both share the choo-choo train and paint it together. That is a great idea. Allah is happy with us. Allah is pleased with us. When we share, we bring joy to others. So let's keep putting joy into the hearts of others. Allah is happy with us. Allah is pleased with us. When we share, we bring joy to others. So let's keep putting joy into the hearts of others.